think the session was very informative. It, it was very much required right now, considering what we have been hearing and seeing things around with children, what children are indulging in. So I think it absolutely nip it at the bud. So the session really gave me a lot of insights about the reasons why children get into addictions and drugs, and what really is required to do at the home level by parents and family and friends. A major takeaway where we are constantly communicating with children and we are telling them that this is not to be done, and you know. And another major takeaway for me was, what should parents be doing with children and how they should be in terms of prevention, so how what kind of atmosphere we should create for the children so that they come back and tell us what they are doing outside. So I think these two things were my major takeaways from the session. The moment I finished the session, I made him sit down and I told him, this is what I have learned from the session, and I always want you to come back and tell me, even if you feel like doing something or trying something, or you have to come and tell me that, Mama, I feel like trying this, and then so that we can talk over this. So and I told him what I learned from the session, and I would like to implement it in our lives. So it was a very healthy discussion, and I was glad that I could discuss that with him. The timing of this session was so apt for us because just a few days back we were discussing about how children are getting into drugs and what is happening, and and with this Aryan Khan case happening. So we were discussing all of that, and so it was quite easy to it was a very easy go lucky discussion kind of thing with him. After this session happened, I was talking science with him. Scientifically what happens to your brain, that's what essentially Sushant told us. So that's what I told him, that this is how addictions happen and what happens in your brain. And I had during the session I had taken a few screenshots of the screens where he shared about the science part of it. So I showed that to my son, and he understood it. So obviously the session made it a lot more easier to explain to him why and how things happen. I would definitely like to tell them that I personally felt this seminar was the need of the hour with whatever is going around. So reading articles is one thing, and but when you attend these kind of one-on-one seminars where you can ask questions, it throws in a lot of insight into the current scenario and how it should be handled. So I personally feel that I had requested Sushant also, and I've also shared in my son's FOIA group. I feel that these seminars should happen more often, and a lot of parents should participate in it so that we get a good insight into the situation.